Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bank of America Digital Wallet for Insurance ID Access. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Bank of America Digital Wallet for Insurance ID Access, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. In the search bar, type Bank of America and press Enter. Look for the official Bank of America app and tap on it to open the app page. Once on the app page, tap the Install button to download. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. After the installation is complete, locate the Bank of America app on your home screen and tap to open it. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. If you are a new user, tap on Enroll Now to create an account, and follow the prompts to complete the registration. Once logged in, navigate to the Digital Wallet option within the app menu. Tap on Add to Wallet to begin the setup for your digital wallet. You may need to grant permissions for the app to access certain features on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions for setting up your digital wallet. Link your insurance ID by entering the required information or by scanning your insurance card if prompted. Once your insurance ID is linked, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Save to finalize the setup of your digital wallet. Your Bank of America Digital Wallet is now ready for use, allowing easy access to your insurance ID. To access your insurance ID, open the Wallet section in the app whenever you need it. You can now conveniently present your insurance ID directly from your digital wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.